how your classmates explain it. All right, here, you know what? I would give you this clue. Make sure you understand what this graph is asking. Make sure you read through every answer. Don't get bogged down with all the work. I'll give you this clue. Start from the bottom going up. Or you can do all the work if you want to. It's up to you. All right, this one. I'm going to just basically lay everything out there for you. I'm going to go step by step. It's asking for the volume. So you got V equals big BH. All right. Be very, very careful. Big B, remember, it's a cover-up for a formula. Well, what is the big B on here? It's the area of the base. Pi r squared. For those of you who don't have your formula chart, it doesn't matter. I'm here. I'm letting you know. Well, it doesn't matter right now, but you still need to know how to use it. All right, so times H. Well, they don't really give us an R. You can still do this without your R. What I'm going to do is I'm going to separate everything. I'm going to go pi times R times R times R times H. But what is my H? 4 times R. Look at here. All of these are multiplied by each other. You have to group the things that are alike. Which one of these do you feel matches this? Use your brain, and you'll get the answer on that one. That's not number 10. That's star power. That's what y'all have. And I hope it cuts on March 27th and 28th. All right, here, this one is very simple. Very, very simple. Oh, I think it's time for some music. It's been some time. I'm kind of tired of my voice, and I'm just tired, period. Hold on. All right, that woke me up for 2 seconds. But I'm here. I have one more to go. All right, so anyways, they gave you a formula. Can y'all just slow your brains down and read this thing? All right, so velocity equals acceleration times time. You can't act like you haven't seen this before. You've seen it in science. It tells you everything. If the velocity starts with a V, so guess what? It goes right there. It's 45 miles per second. And the acceleration is 10 miles per second. What is the time? OMG, this is so not hard. Use your brain power or star power. Any powers that you have. Use it and get the answer. Thank you. Ooh-wee. This is special. This is a challenge. Challenge. But you can still get it, I believe. All right, so this is 2 steps, 1 and 2. First of all, you got to figure out how long did it take. If you got to go back, this is the only time I let you go back to elementary school. Only time. Some of your teachers taught you different ways to figure out time. I don't teach you that because you're supposed to come to 8th grade knowing that. If you got to count on your fingers, count on your fingers. If you got to go 7:15 p.m. to 8:15 p.m., it's 1 hour. 8:15 p.m. to 9:15 p.m. is another hour. If you have to do that all the way to 4:45, then do it. Other than that, you can use whatever method you want to, but you have to figure out how long did it take, and then you can figure out how many miles per hour. Okay, but I'll get you through. I'll help you set up just so you're not too frustrated. This background is no good. Let me get in a place where y'all can see. All right, so you're going to figure that out. So I'm going to give you a hint. you're going to need to set up minutes to miles. There's a problem y'all had in day 1 or 2 where you had to set this up. You had to do the same thing. But anywho, all right, so y'all are going to figure out how long it took them and convert it into minutes over 617.5 miles. Well, you're trying to find miles per hour, but we've converted to minutes. So instead of 1 hour over a certain amount of miles, we're going to do 60 minutes over a certain amount of miles. I'm not really sure if y'all grasp what's happening here. But after you figure out how long they took, you convert that to minutes and plug it in here. So if they took 10 hours, this is an example. If they took 10 hours, how would you convert that to minutes? Times 60. It'd be 600 minutes. If they took my patients with this technology, how long would that take? 2 minutes. You know, do y'all understand what I'm saying? If not, come ask me in the morning. All right, and we had a special guest. It was Jose. If you tune into the other YouTube video, you will hear him. We are not done because I still want y'all to draw something. I want y'all to draw a bird. Mine's going to be, it's a canary. He's a, yeah, draw a bird. Or is that a chick? Whatever. And he has stripes. A striped bird. Thank you.